Right there, baby.
Hey guys, this is our last main hunt of the year. We've all got buck mule deer tags, and we're heading way to the other side of Colorado from where we typically are, where we typically hunt. And it's making pretty good time and going up the freeway, and then we hit some traffic. It has not moved in 10 minutes. Unfortunately, I think there was an accident way up there. So this could take some time, and I don't even have a cell signal in the bottom of this canyon to tell the guys they're coming up behind me. Pretty cool canyon. What's wild to me is up there at the top, it's almost a vertical cliff, and somehow there's some little trees just hanging on right there. Well, a half hour, 45 minutes of not moving at all. Turn the truck off. Luckily I left the food up here, so had a little bit of supper, but the traffic's starting to move a little bit, probably about a half mile in front of me. But anyway, we're headed on up to way western Colorado, and me, Josh, and Jason, and another one of Josh's coworkers, we all have buck mule deer tags, rifle. And so we're hoping that they're going to be down low enough, because the unit we've got, we were planning on having a ton of snow and cold, but it's actually going to be warmer weather than it was even a month ago when we were hunting. So not too sure what we're going to find, but we're going to have a good time. Josh and Jason do also have a rifle cow elk tag. So go ahead and follow along with us, and let's see if we have another adventure for you.
A little roadside motel. All the trucks are firing up. Out here for third season rifle. One of our last big hunts for the year, Colorado. We'll go see what the day holds for us. Mr. Daniel.
Good morning! It is opening day of third rifle season, way on the other side of the mountains in Colorado. We're excited. However, there's no snow, and it's actually really warm. It's 39 degrees out, which is 20 degrees warmer than a month ago when we hunted in Wyoming. So hopefully the deer are still down here. If not, we're gonna just go have a lot of fun, look around.
Let's get to it.
Well, we're seeing some deer right where we just left. 4 does, it looks like.
So we saw a group of does, and they had a 2-point buck in there. This is Adam's first deer hunt, so that might be a great buck for him to go after. So they just went over this rise, and Dale went with them. Right by that telephone pole. I'm going to try and relocate them. Maybe they get a shot here. We have a huge herd of noisy sheep in the background. We got Jason over to the left in case the deer come back out. Hoping to hear a big boom in a second.
That one's the buck in the open. Yep, take him. As soon as he gives you a broadside shot. I think he went up and over. Wrong species, but cool to see him.
All right, we got a deer spotted. It's a pretty big body. I think he's a buck. About 300 yards away. He's just got his head behind a tree we can't see. But Jason's getting set up. Here's the doe. We think there might be another one in there. Maybe. $281. Hoping that was a buck.
There's another one coming out.
Yep. That is. Yep. Well, just doe so far. How'd you like that spot, Dale?
Nice job.
You called it to stop in glass. This country's better than the country we were in this morning. Much easier to actually get a look at things. So, I just barely saw the hindquarters of that deer. They just blend into this brush and disappear.
Trying to find a needle in a haystack. Drive, find a good spot, glass, drive, find a good spot, glass. It's still a little bit early in the day, but this is about the time the deer should start moving around. So we're hopeful. Today's more of a research day, figuring out where we want to focus our efforts over the next few days. But it's beautiful country up here. Put another one in.
He's messing around a little bit. He's done.
Nicely done.
You said you saw another buck in there, Dale?
Small spike.
Adam, if you want another buck, you better get ready. That's a pretty nice buck, dude.
It is a nice buck.
It happened quick, but...
Wow, that's not, you can't even get your heart pumping yet.
Whew. Probably pumping now.
It's all downhill from here.
Well, the deer are coming out like crazy tonight, right down on the river, right off this little highway, so. Good job.
Well guys, it happened extremely fast. That was probably the world's worst videoing. Josh and I don't even know if we had our cameras on, even if they aimed at the right spot, but Jason wasn't messing around and he put the bullet right where it needs to be in the, looks like to be a nice sized buck. So sometimes you can't film them all, but it's pretty awesome that he got it done. So we're gonna go check him out.
Deer down here. Got some more deer out here in the field. There. And then we also have a flock of turkeys. Pretty cool. A lot of wildlife in this valley. I just went back and double checked. I had the camera positioned, turned on, focused right on the shot, and I forgot to hit the record button. Or I thought I had and didn't push it all the way in. So, sorry about that. That's frustrating. But heading up the hill to recover the buck.
Couldn't go farther downhill.
What do you think, Jason?
Dude, it happened so fast, it's hard to know what to think.
Yep.
Look at that.
Nice work, man.
Thank you.
Awesome.
Thank you for your eyeballs, guys.
You're welcome.
And thanking you for your backs here in a minute.
We've got great back.
Yeah. 13th?
I believe so. Opening day is what it is. You punch all your tags on opening day, Jason?
Always.
Okay. All right, Jason, what'd you get there?
So we were driving down the highway, trying to change locations, and Dale spots a deer on this hillside. Hey, I got a deer back here, I want to check it out. So we turned around, came back. By the time we got back here, there was a whole herd of them right on the top of this ridge we're sitting on. And this guy was standing broadside at about 190 yards, and he gave himself up for me. So put a good shot on him, and now we got our hands on him.
There's the glory shot. All loaded up. Jason's got the buck.
Alright, rangefinder, binoculars done. Yeah, do we have everything
Look around.
picked up?
That's how I've lost rangefinders, buck knives.
Thank you, Mr. Deer.
Heading out. This is gonna be a long, difficult pack out.
We gotta go.
We gotta go a whole like 200 yards.
Well guys, we got them all cut up just before the sun went down, so nice easy downhill pack out. 4 of us would be pretty easy. So celebration tonight.